I bet you didn't know how fast tech is changing. Hold on tight. The pace at which technology evolves is nothing short of breathtaking. One moment, you're getting the hang of the latest gadget, and the next, a new version is already out, boasting features you never even imagined. It's like being on a roller coaster that never stops, constantly throwing new twists and turns your way. Stay tuned and I will walk you through some ways you can be the new tech whiz at work, school, or anywhere else. The world of tech is like a supercar hitting the accelerator. Imagine the thrill of a sports car zooming down the highway, the scenery blurring past you. That's how fast technology is moving. Every day there's something new, something faster, something better. New gadgets, apps, and software are popping up faster than ever. It's exciting, right? The sheer variety of tools at our disposal is mind-boggling. From smartphones that can do almost anything to apps that make our lives easier in ways we never thought possible, the innovation is relentless, but it can also feel overwhelming. With so many options and constant updates, it's easy to feel like you're drowning in a sea of technology. The pressure to keep up can be intense, leaving you feeling frustrated and exhausted. Remember that time you finally learned how to use your new phone, then BAM! A new model came out with a zillion new features. It's a never-ending cycle. Just when you think you've mastered one device, another one comes along to challenge you all over again. It's like they want us to be confused. Don't worry though, you're not alone in this. Many people feel the same way, and there are ways to navigate this ever-changing landscape without losing your mind. We're going to talk about how to learn new tech skills quickly. With the right approach, you can stay ahead of the curve and make the most of the latest advancements. It's all about having the right mindset and tools. It's like having a secret weapon against the ever-changing tech landscape. Imagine being able to adapt to new technologies with ease, turning what seems like a daunting task into an exciting challenge. Think of it this way. Learning new tech is like learning to drive a fast car. At first, it seems intimidating, but with practice and the right guidance, it becomes second nature. The key is to stay curious and open to learning. At first, it seems scary and impossible. The fear of the unknown can be paralyzing, but it's important to remember that everyone starts somewhere. Even the most tech-savvy individuals were once beginners, but with the right guidance, anyone can do it. Whether it's through online tutorials, classes, or mentorship, there are countless resources available to help you master new technologies. So buckle up and get ready to embrace the future with confidence. Need for speed learning in the fast lane? Why the rush to learn tech quickly? In our fast-paced world, technology evolves at lightning speed. Keeping up with these changes is not just a luxury, but a necessity. Well, in today's world, it's a massive advantage. Employers love it. They are constantly on the lookout for individuals who can adapt and learn new skills quickly. It opens up new opportunities. Imagine landing your dream job just because you mastered a new software or coding language in record time, and it makes you feel like a tech wizard. The sense of accomplishment you get from solving a complex problem or creating something new is unparalleled. Imagine being able to build a website, code a simple game, or even develop an app that could change lives. The possibilities are endless, or automate boring tasks with just a few clicks. Think about the time you could save and the efficiency you could achieve. That's the power of tech skills. They empower you to do more, achieve more, and be more. And the faster you learn, the faster you can unlock these amazing possibilities. Online tutorials, coding bootcamps, and digital courses make it easier than ever to acquire new skills. Plus, it's just plain fun to be in the know about the latest tech trends. Staying updated keeps you ahead of the curve and makes you a valuable asset in any field. Breaking it down, tech skills made simple. Don't let big, scary tech terms intimidate you. We're going to break them down into bite-sized pieces. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The key is to start small and build your way up. Think of it like building a Lego masterpiece. You wouldn't try to put it together all at once, right? You start with the instructions and focus on one brick at a time. Tech skills are the same way. Section 4, memory tricks. Remember everything, my brain is full. Ever feel that way? Don't worry, we've all been there. The good news is, there are tricks to help you remember all this new tech stuff. One of the best ways is to connect new information to something you already know. For example, if you're learning about website design, think about it like decorating your dream house. The layout, colors, and furniture are like the elements on a web page. Section 5, action, putting skills to the test. Here's the fun part, putting your newfound knowledge into practice. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. The more you use your tech skills, the more confident you'll become. Try building a simple website, writing a basic program, or even just exploring the settings on your favorite app. It's amazing what you can achieve by just diving in and giving it a go. Last point, staying motivated. You got this. Learning new things can be tough, especially when it comes to tech. There will be times when you feel stuck, frustrated, or like giving up, but don't. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. Surround yourself with supportive people, celebrate your progress, and reward yourself for your hard work. And most importantly, have fun. Learning tech should be an adventure, not a chore. Tech master in no time. Welcome to the journey of mastering technology swiftly and effectively. Congratulations! You're well on your way to becoming a tech whiz. This is just the beginning of an exciting adventure. Remember, the key is to break down complex concepts into manageable chunks. Use memory tricks like mnemonics and flashcards to reinforce your learning. And most importantly, take action. Apply what you learn through hands-on projects and real-world applications. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. Each error is a stepping stone to mastery. The world of technology is constantly evolving, with new innovations emerging every day. Stay curious and keep exploring. But with the right mindset and a thirst for knowledge, you can navigate this ever-changing landscape with confidence. You can keep up and even stay ahead of the curve by continuously learning and adapting to new technologies. So go out there, embrace the tech revolution, and immerse yourself in the vibrant tech community. Show the world what you're capable of. Your journey to becoming a tech master starts now. Keep pushing boundaries and never stop learning. If you learned something new, please like, subscribe, and comment. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you.